Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to charge the Motorola mini walkie talkie. Okay, to charge it, you can see on the left side here, this is the connection of the charging cable, and when we buy this walkie talkie, it will provide this charger cable and the adapter, and it's gonna use the Type-C connection. And please only use the provided adapter. Do not use your smartphone adapter. It will give the fast charge to the walkie-talkie, and it also will damage to your battery inside it. As recommend, please only use the provided adapter. Okay, now let's try to charge it. Insert the adapter to the power socket. You will see this red light appear, and take this charger cover out and insert the charging cable. Okay, when charged, you will see this red light appear on the walkie-talkie, and when it fully charged, you will see this just disappear. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can correctly charge your Motorola mini walkie-talkie. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.